Houseboat Thai Kitchen. Today we are going to make ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง or Thai stir-fry chicken with cashew nut. This is one of the famous Thai food that I got a lot of requests from my friend here that I should put on my video. So let's see how easy that I'm gonna cook that today. When you cut the chicken, make sure you cut it not too big, not too small, because we are going to eat this with rice. So we need to make sure that it will be fit in one bite. Cut the fat out. This we will not use. Yeah, this is a good piece. Okay, next we will marinate our chicken with oyster sauce. Just about 1 tablespoon. Yeah, and use your hand. Okay, you have to marinate the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes. So in the meantime, I gonna mix all the seasoning sauce together. First, sesame oil and light soy sauce, black soy sauce, oyster sauce. Oh, you can check the description below this video clip for all the ingredients and on how to cook this. Thai sweet chili paste. If you don't have this, you can also use sambal oleg, fish sauce, sugar, and tamarind juice. Make sure all will mix well together. Then we're gonna mix our chicken together with the flour. So I use the crispy flour, but if you don't have it, you can also use all-purpose flour as well. Make sure it's not too thick. Okay, first deep fry the dry chili. If you don't have it, you can just skip it. And then we're going to use the same oil to fry the chicken. Okay, now we're gonna stir fry the chicken. So we heat up the pan and we use the same oil that we fry the chicken, and we will add into the pan. So it's about 1.5 tablespoons. And once the oil is hot, we're gonna add garlic in there. This is good. We going to add onion, bell pepper, mushroom, smells so nice. And we're gonna add the sauce. After that, we're gonna add chicken. And cashew nut. Add a bit of water if it's too dry. And make sure that everything will be coated with our sauce. After that, we add the dry chili and spring onion and turn off the stove. And add the black pepper. Stir it for a few times. Let's taste it. สุดยอด so it is very easy to make, right? And I can guarantee you this tastes exact the same as what my mom make for me back home. I hope you enjoy this recipe, so please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this, so you will not miss my new video. See you next time. Bye bye. Dui Manit Dikadui Dui. Tot xin.